Did you know that there is a perfect social networking site that is perfect for earning income from affiliate marketing? In addition, hardly anyone uses it in affiliate activities. Meanwhile, it can give you money without leaving your home. What place am I talking about? It is Pinterest, a place where people don't share photos of their lives. They come here to save photos of other people for inspiration, interior design ideas, wedding decorations, or composing clothes. According to the statistics of Pinterest itself, 9 out of 10 users come to this social network in search of shopping ideas. That is great news for you, the publisher of the affiliate network. So, let's see how to generate profit on Pinterest. But before we start, subscribe to the channel The MyLead Affiliate Network. How does Pinterest work and how can it be combined with affiliate marketing? Users upload their own photos to their boards or save other people's photos on it. The board can be compared to a virtual album. Other users can share images or save them to their boards. In addition, they can like and subscribe to their profile. Most social networks do not allow affiliate links or impose severe restrictions on the number of them. Pinterest is an exception to this and allows the publication or direct affiliate links to the advertiser's site or an indirect webmaster's site. Pinterest is not the most popular place when it comes to affiliate marketing. However, the audience of this social network is much more inclined to make purchases by browsing the platform than in many other social networks. Let's take a look at the statistics of the MyLead publisher, who wanted to keep his nickname a secret. Results of first week's earnings, results of 2 weeks' earnings. Results after a month of promotion. These results confirm that Pinterest is something to consider when talking about affiliate marketing. What do you need to know to profit from this social network? What Pinterest rules should you know about, and what to do if you've broken them? In order not to lose all your profits, we advise you tirelessly to set up several accounts. Each of them will serve as a lifeline in case something goes wrong and one of them is blocked. Remember that you can watch our video on how to correctly and safely create accounts on social networks and avoid bans. The link to the video is waiting for you in the description box. You will also find it in the upper right corner right now. It is important to consider the policies of the platform. As with other social networks, content related to violence, hatred, eroticism, gambling and illegal products is not allowed here. You can learn more about the platform's policies from the main source. What actions can you be banned for on Pinterest? Logging in frequently, commenting pins very quickly, posting the same comments several times, subscribing several people simultaneously in a short time, creating a pin quickly or saving pins quickly from one web page. The activity limits are 2000 pin boards, 200,000 pins, 50,000 observations. What to do when you receive a notification about exceeding the limits? Removing some pins or boards or unsubscribing some users can help here. In addition, it's not worth repeating the same activity, for example posting a comment. Better to alternate between different activities. If that doesn't help, remember, it's too early to panic. Most restrictions are automatically resolved within 1 day. We also recommend that you do not exceed a total of 25 reposts and pins per day and keep a break of at least 30 minutes between publications. What to promote on Pinterest? The themes can be pretty much anything you want within the platform's rules, but it makes sense to target a female audience as they make up 71%. Affiliate programs from the category of e-commerce and various types of services work best on this website. Pin themes can vary, but those based on the focus of Pinterest's audience will work best. And they are home appliances, small electronics and gadgets, the offer of electronic equipment stores, and supermarkets will be suitable here. For example, partner programs such as AliExpress Global or eBay. Other popular categories are fashion and style, all kinds of stores with clothing and accessories such as jewelry. An example would be the Ralph Lauren affiliate program from France, beauty and cosmetics. Options can be very different here. Convenience stores are also doing well. An example of such an offer is Light in the Box. Home decor. Multi-theme online stores such as Letty shops are also suitable. You can find all the links to affiliate programs in the description for this video. How to make your offer visible? For starters, we recommend targeting a mass consumer to increase your chances of hitting the trends. You can also try entering active group boards. The good news is that you can post the same content from different accounts by rewriting the photos with a light filter and slightly modifying the description for your safety. The second good news is that you don't need to generate 100% original content. You can use images found in other sources. What else works well on Pinterest? Life hacks, personal thematic blogs, ideas for interior design, and pins about a healthy lifestyle. For example, sports clothes and nutrition. What content formats draws the attention of users the most? Video pins. This probably won't surprise you. Statistics shows that currently the video ad format is the most attractive and many social networks use this format. According to Google statistics, video ads can increase conversions by 5% for the same CPC. On Pinterest, you can publish content that you previously prepared on TikTok and Instagram, as well as other networks and social networks. Remember that the same content may be used on different sites. For example, this is what searching for popular gym pin looks like. Some of the content presented on it are YouTube reposts. If you are promoting the offer of a sports shop, clothing, sports equipment or food, creating something similar will be a good idea. If you want to create a bright and attractive look, special pages and tools will certainly come in handy. There is a list of the best programs of this type in front of you. You will find links to each of them as always in the description box of this video. Ready photos from free photo stories can be used by adding design elements and processing them using the free Canva or Figma program or in special desktop programs such as GIMP or Adobe Illustrator. During the promotion, in addition to the image, the title, description, and keywords contained in them are of great importance. Thanks to them, the algorithm builds results for users. This means that you need to pay attention to keywords. The following SEO tools will help you with this task. Pinterest is a relatively unpopular platform among publishers of affiliate networks, which means this is the best time to start your activities there. I recommend promoting in English because the majority of users of this portal English speaking, and referring content to them has a greater chance to success. I do not recommend promoting adult campaigns. It is unlikely that you can achieve the same high results as on other social networks. E-commerce offers work best on Pinterest. Follow these tips and maximize your profits.